Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a video to do react to TikTok Christmas videos. So I had did a vote thing on my channel. That's a my community channel, my community thing that tells you can post it. Ask y'all what you think should I do before Christmas or on Christmas. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification. And so follow me on my social medias, they'll be in the description box, and let's get started into this video. I don't know which one to do. I know. Oh my god, that's kind of really cool. Pretty cool they got on the side. It's got holiday seasons, baking. Oh my god, they're kind of really cool. It's really cool. Okay, I should have got me a Christmas thing. Wait a minute. Wow, that went too fast. They're baking. She's baking some. Oh my god. Now I gotta bake me some cookie. Like you see somebody. Oh, it's so cool. Decorating like that. My mom got a little house. Now tonight I'm gonna watch some Christmas movie. I might watch Home Alone probably.
I made my family disappear.
Okay. For Christmas. What do you want for Christmas? Don't make me hungry. This movies you should watch this year.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. Oh my gosh, your whole my video is long. Let me watch one more, and I'm gonna try to find something else. I always want to bake some cookies with the stuff what you make, and oh my god. Debbie Hams. I should have went to the mall and went to there. Oh my god. Okay, now I should have got that. I might get that tomorrow at work. That's what I'm gonna do. Right. Cause it's my little Christmas tree right here. Okay, so I'm on the next one. Trying to see this. Okay, now
Okay, wait a minute. Let me go back to that.
at IKEA. Well, what in Arkansas we don't got IKEA.
When I put it in storage.
Oh wow, it's a big tree. Awesome tree. Wish I did this on my TikTok videos. Next time I will. This is okay, I like this one. Just nothing that really nice. Not nice, I mean really big. It's nice, I mean, but nothing that's really big, I'm trying to say. But excuse me. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Decoration, good job on this. Okay guys, I'm just going to end right here because the sunlight is going down. I saw all these decorations make me got good ideas that I want to do for next year, for the next Christmas. But I kind of just got it like this. This is like my little Christmas tree I got. I have a pink one. I saw this. I think I saw this at Walmart. And I saw this. I even know they own it, but I need to. I'm just not going to worry about it. I just got the Christmas light that I had, but I am going to decorate it. I'm late on decorating it. I just got it doing last, I think 2 weeks ago. I probably got it. If you enjoy this, if you like this, you want me to do more reaction videos like this, or react to more of this, let me know in the comments, because sometimes I do reaction videos sometimes on my channel. Just thumbs up, comment below, like I said. And I would say thank you for subscribing and keep supporting my channel, to keep supporting small YouTube channels too, like I am. And subscribe to my channel so you get more content on my channel. And also say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, stay classy, stay sassy, be you, do you, and I see you in my next video. And thank you very much. And y'all are the best subscribers ever, and new subscribers, if I said welcome. And so yeah, keep coming. And so yeah, bye, see you in the next video. Bye y'all.